Right. Getting ready for a printed circuit board designer interview. That's awesome. We're going to dive deep into some common interview questions, but there's a twist.
Oh,
We're not just giving you the right answers.
okay.
Think of this as like your cheat sheet
Okay, yeah.
to understand what interviewers are really looking for and how to stand out right. Plus, we'll sprinkle in some career insights from RoleCatcher, which is a platform that's got a ton of resources for this very field.
Yeah, what's fascinating about RoleCatcher is they use AI to analyze job descriptions.
Oh, wow.
So it helps tailor your resume and cover letter.
Okay.
So you get an edge in getting past those automated filters
Oh, nice.
and straight to the interview.
It's like having a secret weapon for your job hunt.
Exactly.
Now, let's jump into the interview questions.
Okay.
First up, what inspired you to pursue a career in PCB design?
This is where you share your origin story.
Okay.
Instead of just saying, I've always been interested in electronics, try connecting a specific childhood memory to your professional passion. Maybe you took apart a radio as a kid, or perhaps a school project sparked your interest in circuits.
Right.
Make it personal
Yeah.
and engaging.
I love that. A good story makes you memorable.
Yeah.
And what about follow-up questions?
Be ready for something like, what aspects of PCB design excite you the most?
Okay.
This is where you showcase your enthusiasm and your knowledge.
Right.
You can mention things like signal integrity,
Oh,
high-speed design, or even like the challenges of miniaturization. It shows you're not just there for a job.
Right.
You're genuinely interested in the field.
Okay, next question. Can you walk me through your design process?
Okay.
This one sounds kind of straightforward,
Yeah.
but what are they really looking for here?
It's about showcasing your methodical approach and your attention to detail.
Okay.
Highlight key steps like schematic capture, component placement, routing, and design rule checking. Don't just list them, you know?
Yeah.
Explain why each step is important and how it contributes to a successful design.
Here's where it gets really interesting.
Oh.
RoleCatcher's AI can analyze your responses to this type of question
Okay.
and give feedback on how to tailor them for specific job roles.
Oh, wow.
So imagine you're applying to a company that specializes in high-speed designs.
Oh.
The AI might suggest you emphasize your experience with, say, signal integrity analysis.
Exactly. It's like having a personal coach who knows the ins and outs of each company and role.
Now for question number 3, how do you ensure the quality of your PCB designs?
This is all about demonstrating your commitment to delivering top-notch work.
Okay.
Discuss your approach to design verification, simulation, and testing.
Right.
Mention specific tools you use and why they're important.
Right.
If you have any experience with industry standards like ITC,
Okay.
definitely bring that up.
They might even throw in a follow-up.
Oh.
Like, have you ever encountered a design flaw? How did you address it? This isn't a trick question.
No.
It's a chance to show you're not afraid to own up to mistakes and that you can learn from them.
Absolutely. Turn a potential negative into a positive by highlighting your problem-solving skills and your ability to learn from experience.
Okay, next up is a technical one. What design software are you proficient in?
Be honest and specific here. List the programs you're comfortable with and don't just rattle off names. Provide context.
Okay.
You could say something like, I'm proficient in Altium Designer, which I used extensively for a complex multi-layer board project.
And what if they ask about a software you haven't used?
Don't panic. Be upfront about it,
Okay.
but express your willingness to learn. You could say, I haven't worked with that specific software, but I'm a fast learner and I'm confident I can pick it up quickly. I'm also proficient in similar programs and then list relevant alternatives.
All right, moving on to question 5. How do you stay up to date with the latest PCB design technologies and trends?
This is where you demonstrate that you're a lifelong learner, which is crucial in this ever-evolving field.
Right.
Mention industry publications, online forums, conferences, or even specific YouTube channels you follow.
And don't be surprised if they follow up with, what emerging trends in PCB design particularly interest you?
This is your chance to showcase your genuine curiosity and passion. Maybe you're fascinated by flexible circuits,
Okay.
3D printing, or the integration of AI in design processes.
Oh, wow.
Be specific and connect it back to your career goals.
It's amazing how fast this field is advancing.
Yeah.
RoleCatcher's Career Guide even talks about the growing role of AI in PCB design.
That's right. It's not just about robots designing boards. It's about AI assisting designers with tasks like component selection, routing optimization, and even error detection.
Okay, let's tackle question number 6. How do you handle tight deadlines or unexpected changes to a project?
Right.
Every project has its curveballs, right?
Exactly. They want to see how you handle pressure and adapt to change. Highlight your time management skills, your ability to prioritize tasks, and your willingness to collaborate with others to find solutions.
Oh.
If you have a specific example of a time you successfully navigated a challenging project, definitely share it.
And don't forget, RoleCatcher's AI can help you fine-tune your answer to this question, too.
Oh, right.
You can input the job description, and the AI will suggest ways to tailor your response to the specific company culture and project management style.
It's all about presenting yourself as the ideal candidate for that particular role.
All right, we've covered 6 questions so far, and they've all been pretty intense. Are you ready for the next one?
Bring it on. Okay, question number 7.
Yep.
This one is a two-parter focusing on your experience.
All right.
Get ready to talk about a particularly challenging PCB design project that you've tackled.
Oh, okay.
And then a successful one.
The classic tell me about a time questions.
Yes.
I remember those from my interview days. But seriously, these are great opportunities to, showcase your skills, your personality.
Exactly. For the challenging project, choose something that really tested your abilities.
Okay.
Maybe it involved tight space constraints, high-speed signals, or unusual components. Walk them through the obstacles you faced, the creative solutions you came up with, and the lessons you learned along the way.
A possible follow-up here could be, what would you do differently next time?
Right.
It's not about admitting failure.
No.
It's about showing that you're always striving to improve.
Right on. Now for the successful project.
Okay.
Highlight something that you're truly proud of.
Yeah.
It could be a project that pushed boundaries, met exceptional performance criteria, or even something as simple as a design that was particularly elegant or efficient.
Okay.
Focus on the positive outcome and what you achieved.
They might ask, what was the most satisfying aspect of this project?
Oh, yeah.
This is your chance to, let your passion shine through and show them what truly motivates you.
Now let's shift gears to a question that often trips people up.
Oh.
How do you ensure your designs are manufacturable and cost-effective?
This one goes beyond just making a circuit work, right?
Absolutely.
It's about understanding the real-world constraints of manufacturing.
Talk about your design for manufacturing, DFM, knowledge.
Okay.
Explain how you consider factors like component availability, tolerance stack-up, and assembly processes to ensure that your designs can be produced efficiently and without costly rework.
Yeah.
If you've had experience working directly with manufacturers, definitely mention that.
It shows you understand the bigger picture, not just the design itself.
Right.
A potential follow-up question could be, how do you balance design functionality with manufacturing constraints?
That's a good one.
Yeah.
It's all about finding that sweet spot between pushing the limits of what's possible and creating a design that can actually be brought to life.
Okay, time for the final question on our list.
Okay.
How do you prioritize tasks and manage your workload?
Right.
This one seems pretty universal.
Yeah.
But what are they looking for in a PCB designer specifically?
They want to see that you can handle multiple projects, meet deadlines, and stay organized even when things get hectic.
Okay.
Talk about your specific time management techniques.
Right.
Whether it's using project management software, color-coded spreadsheets, or even good old-fashioned to-do lists.
And a possible follow-up could be, how do you handle competing priorities or conflicting deadlines?
This is where you demonstrate your ability to communicate effectively.
Okay.
Assess urgency, and make informed decisions.
Yeah.
You could say something like, if I'm facing multiple deadlines, I first communicate with stakeholders to understand the priorities, and then I adjust my schedule accordingly, ensuring that critical tasks are completed on time.
All right, we just tackled 10 common interview questions.
Wow.
That was intense.
Okay.
But before we wrap up, let's spend a few minutes on those valuable career insights we mentioned earlier.
Okay.
RoleCatcher's Career Guide is packed with information on different career paths and specializations within PCB design.
Right. As you gain experience, you can move towards senior designer roles, project management, or even specialize in a particular area like high-speed design, RF circuits, or embedded systems.
That's what's so cool about this field.
Yeah.
There's so many directions you can go in.
Exactly.
The guide also mentions the importance of certifications like CID, CID plus SIA, and others.
These certifications demonstrate your expertise
Right.
and commitment to professional development, which can make a real difference in your career progression.
Now let's circle back to RoleCatcher's AI
Okay.
and how it can help you prepare for these specific questions.
Right.
It's not just about giving you generic advice. It's about tailoring your answers to each individual job that you're applying for.
Exactly. You can input the job description, and the AI analyzes it, identifying key words and phrases that indicate what the employer is looking for.
Oh.
Then it suggests ways to adjust your answers to highlight the skills and experience that are most relevant to that particular role.
It's like having a personal career coach who knows exactly what each company wants to hear.
Exactly.
And it's not just about the content of your answers.
Okay.
RoleCatcher also offers AI-powered feedback on your delivery.
Oh, wow.
You can record yourself answering the questions.
Yeah, okay.
And get feedback on things like your tone of voice, body language, and even your eye contact.
It's all about helping you present yourself in the best possible light and nail that first impression.
So you're walking into that interview armed with knowledge, prepared for those tricky questions, and ready to impress. But here's something to ponder as you continue your prep. Imagine you've landed the job. What's the first project that you'd be excited to tackle as a PCB designer?
Dream big.
Yeah.
What kind of device would you love to help bring to life? What challenges would you be eager to solve?
Right.
From the latest smartphones to life-saving medical equipment, PCD designers play a vital role in shaping the world around us.
It's incredible to think about the impact,
Yeah.
you can have as a PCB designer.
And remember, continuous learning is key to staying ahead in this field.
Oh, absolutely.
Embrace new technologies.
Right.
Seek out mentors and never stop exploring the possibilities.
The future of PCB design is bright.
Yeah.
And with the right preparation and mindset, you can be a part of it. So go out there, ace that interview, and let your passion shine through. We're rooting for you.